The code D7527 in a Bobcat machine means left swash plate out of position. The computer in your Bobcat takes the information on the position of the swash plate from two special swash plate sensors located on the hydraulic pump. And in a lot of cases, owners will replace the left swash plate sensor when they see this code. But the problem is that the swash plate sensors are very reliable and they almost never fail. Also, they are extremely hard to get to and you will obviously pay quite a lot for repairs, but the actual problem is most likely with other parts and units. In most cases, there are two possible culprits for the D7527, issues with wiring or connectors or internal hydraulic pump failure that basically can be repaired. Checking the wiring is quite easy since both swash plate sensors are identical and you can swap connectors from left to right. If the code remains D7527, you may be sure that the wiring is okay and the problem is with the sensor or the pump. If the code changes to D7528, it means the problem is with the wiring harness and it should be inspected carefully for corrosion, broken wires, loose connections, etc. But even wiring is not really common issue that triggers the D7527 code. What's common is the plastic bushing inside the hydraulic pump that's connected with the swash plate mechanism. This bushing has a certain lifespan and will eventually fail. I strongly recommend a very detailed video on the channel how I did it. I will link it in the description and you will see the repair process as well as learn a lot about those swash plate sensors. But I also know that if there is a serious mechanical failure in the pump, you can still get the D7527 code. In this case, you will also have a certain amount of metal shavings and particles in the hydraulic filter, and this is a strong sign to just replace the pump.